Board of Secondary Education Manipur Bosem ki chairman oina fam pu bada khwaidagi matik sai khana Akham Joy Kumar bu lengang na chairman ki fam pu han bani hainai Education Minister Thongjam Basant Kumar na phongdorgle ngasi kaisam pata leiba DIPR gi hall da pangtok ki ba pawgi mifam da Minister Basant Kumar na makha taraduna Bosem ki chairman khan bada DPC tawbagi mathau ta de matik sa ba mioi bu pham masi gi da makhan ki bani masagi sahi humpu helaba Akham Joy Kumar bu makha ta na chairman gi fam pu hali hari bu wafu masisu aran bani Kosem ki chairman gumna cabinet ki mifam na Bosem ki chairman su sahi humpumanga fawba lehenba haina warep lokiba laikre chairman sindo u haiduna board asige employees singna sathariba pen down strike asi mahiru singi yenglaga handona ba employees singa hakthena unaduna wari sare board asi lenga ki makha dalibani kanglon thugairakpa employees singi mathakta subsab action lokhat kani haike Bosem ki employees singi marakta aran mathabak torokpa yawbada subsab khudam sangdam putholaga mahaki mafam da kusinabiu maral bulairabadi action logani khudam sangdam leitana maral sinabagi thabak lepsi sasinaba se sang sizinaduna Bosem ki question setter sarambadagi police na farba laisram rajesh ki mathakta lega ki lokotpam thokpa action lokot kani haiki
si land to bre si ki proof le rahe to documents ka loina na government ta thabiro ko chap chana including chairman any employee of Bosem who has done any wrongdoing or of the education department ko chap sab action log gani ag me am tam jage February digi to sida masi matam chana to na books publish to na masi cooperate to view na appeal to jare personally mun naraga aduda government ki tolop chari bani other rules violate or untaraba any disciplinary action lapada please don't mind I could the government say angang singi chhatra singi khalaga exam well in time conduct to be ade aduga hozik khodi in spite of this crisis education department na kodi laiba academic schedule could maintain to hozik lai